Hello and welcome to BZW-1. Today we are introducing the BZW-6D hexagon-shaped terminal crimping machine designed for large closed-end tubular terminals. Its compact structure saves space while keeping noise levels low during operation. This machine supports a wide wire range from 10 to 240 mm square with a powerful crimping force of 500 kN. The adjustable terminal positioning system ensures accurate placement for every crimp. The machine also supports a crimping width of up to 30 mm, and the height of the linkage rod is adjustable with built-in damping for smooth rebound. Here we are demonstrating crimping on 70, 120 and 240 mm square terminals. With instant knife edge switching, it can handle different terminal sizes from 10 to 240 mm square without downtime. The BZW-6D uses pulse control technology to ensure high precision during every crimping cycle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to BZW-1 for more web processing solutions.